Let's get started. I've got a link on screen and in the video description that'll take you straight to Base44 where you can start building for free. No credit card needed. Go ahead and open that up so you can follow along with me step by step. When you click on that link, you'll land on this page here or something very similar, and you'll see right away that there's a chat box asking you to describe your app. Now, this isn't actually a real chat box. We need to register an account first. To do that, simply click the Build Now button. Then go through the process of setting up your Base44 account by following their instructions. I'll meet you on the dashboard. And here on the dashboard, we can see a real chat box that we'll use to build our app. Now, before we go any further, I want to point out that this might look a little bit different by the time you're watching this video. AI moves very quickly and software updates regularly. So if the interface doesn't look the exact same, don't worry. Just try to understand the concepts I'm showing you today and apply what you've learned to the interface as it looks when you're following along. Before we start building, I want to show you something that will make a big difference in how your app turns out and save you money in the process. On the upper left side, click the Workspace dropdown. And here you can see Base44 uses a credit system. On the free plan, you get 5 message credits a day. Now, these aren't one-to-one. A simple change might use only a fraction of a credit, but asking the AI to build a whole new feature will use more. The free plan gives you enough to generate your first app and try some changes. But here's the thing, if you jump straight into building with a vague idea, you'll burn through credits fast trying to get what you want. So instead, we're going to plan first. Base44 has a built-in feature for this called Plan Mode. When you go to create a new app, you can see this little Plan toggle button. Go ahead and click that. Now we're in Plan Mode. In Plan Mode, we can type a simple description of what we want, and Base44 will help us to refine the prompt that the AI will use to build the app. So I'll simply type Movie Recommendation App and hit Send. Then the AI will ask you some guided questions to help understand what the goal is, who's the audience, what are the core features you want, design preferences, that sort of thing. Here it says who's this app for and how will it be used, so I'll say general public. What's the core way recommendations are generated? And we'll say based on ratings. And what's the visual vibe you're going for? Let's say dark and cinematic. Just answer the questions it asks you, and when it's done, it'll come up with a plan, and you can click Read More to see all the details. You can scroll through, see everything it wrote, and if you want to change anything, you can simply type in the chat in plain language and ask the AI to make updates. The best part is Plan Mode doesn't use any credits. You're just having a conversation with the AI, getting your ideas organized, and building a detailed blueprint for your app, all for free. Credits only get spent when you click Start Building. Look at what we've got now. We started with a rough idea, and the AI turned it into a structured plan with clear features, user flows, and design direction. This is what Base44 is going to build from. The more detail you put in here, the better your first result will be, and the fewer credits you'll spend refining it later. Here's a quick tip. If you're not sure what you want to build yet, you can use a tool like Claude or ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas before you even open Base44. Think of it as a conversation with a friend before you sit down to draft the blueprint. But once you know roughly what you want, Plan Mode is where you'll turn that into something the AI can actually build. All right, our plan looks good. Let's click Start Building. And right away, Base44 gets started building your app. You can even see the files it's writing in real time in the left sidebar. This process can take a few minutes, so just be patient, and when it's done, you'll see something like this. This is Cinematch, Base44's first draft of our app. Right at the top, we have a search bar where we can search for specific films. We have tags where we can filter by different film type. As we hover over the different films, there's some nice interactive movement happening here. The image grows bigger and the movie gets highlighted. At the top, we have different tabs for My Ratings, where it looks like if we log in, we can track ratings. Same thing for a watch list where we can save films, and then recommendations for the user based on their preferences. Overall, this is a pretty good start. Base44 created a full front-end application.